Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a super warm sunset makeup. I found my hairband from my drawer I used in primary school by chance, so I'm gonna use it for fun. Put the primer as the first step. Then put the foundation by using a wet brush and a wet sponge. If you use the dry tools, it will make mess your foundation condition. My skin condition is not good recently because of staying at home so long with unhealthy life habit, so I use many concealer. If your skin is okay, a little brush could be better for putting on the concealer. Put the loose powder on the highlight area and put them here for a while. After you put your eyebrows on, whisk the loose powder to the entire face. It helps prevent makeup from coming off. Put contour on eyelids. It's more natural because its color is thinner than brown eyeshadow. Then use brown eyeshadow to deepen the eye socket area. Here I switch to the dark gray color, which is the next. Play the same role as the brown eyeshadow I used before. Raise eyebrow a little bit to find out where certainly your eye socket is, which is the place of where to put the concealer. Then fill in the area under the eye socket line. Use a shining light color to lighten the middle area of our eyelids. This orange color is my favorite. It looks more tender on my face than it is inside the eyeshadow case. Put it beneath our lower lash line and bloom it to our cheeks, which can become the blush at the same time. It is exactly what sunset feels like. Add some on nose as well to balance the face color. Put a thin eyeliner, don't be too thick. Use a shiny dark brown color to fill in the interval area beneath the lower lash line, which helps make our black eyeliner not that strong. Don't use any very exaggerated false eyelashes. Mascara helps our own lash stick with the false lashes. Put the normal contour. Nose contour can be a little bit strong, but don't make strong and a strict facial line by using too much contour. Just a little is fine. Here comes our pilots. Take a little out each time and do it for more times. Don't take too much once, it will fall from your face. And make these pilots to form a shape of a reverse triangle. This is a new idea. I'm gonna add some orange on my eyeliner to make my makeup warmer. That's it. Hope this warm sunshine can remain longer to kill those coronavirus, which gives me inspiration of this makeup. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye!